Welcome, beautiful people. This is very first episode of our brand new series, English માં જલસા. I'm Tejal Desai
And I'm Niyati Desai.
and together we are here to make your Gujarati everyday talks into fun and expressive English.
Are you ready?
Then let's begin with episode number 1.
Mom's favorite dialogue.
મને જ બધું જોવું પડતું હોય છે.
I have to keep an eye on everything.
આ ઘરમાં હું છું કે નોકરાણી?
Am I the one working in this house or am I the maid?
કોઈ એક વાતને 100 વાર કહેવી પડે છે.
I have to repeat the same things 100 times.
આ છોકરા લોકો આખો દિવસ મોબાઈલમાં ઘૂસેલા હોય છે.
Those kids are stuck in their phones every day.
રોટલી ગરમ છે, બીજું કંઈ જ નથી બનાવવાની.
I made hot rotis. Don't expect anything else.
Tell us in the comment which Gujarati dialogue should we translate in next video, and if you loved it,
Like, share and follow.
and tag your mom right now.
She is going to love it.
See you tomorrow in episode number 2. Until then,
Keep smiling.
keep learning because આ તો છે English માં જલસા.